Hello, my birdie friends. Welcome to a video about the brown-headed nuthatch. Nuthatches are remarkable for their unique behaviors, strong family bonds, and adaptability to their woodland environments. Their headfirst descent down trees, intricate nesting habits, and resourceful foraging techniques are just a few of the qualities that make these birds a subject of endless fascination and admiration. Nuthatches are resident birds, meaning most species do not migrate and stay in their territory year-round. They stay close to where they hatch, usually traveling only a mile, preferring the warmth and safety of known surroundings. Nuthatches eat mostly insects, nuts, and seeds. They forage for insects hidden in or under bark by climbing along tree trunks and branches, sometimes hanging upside down. They are known for using pieces of bark as tools to pry up other bark in search of insects.